Hello, and welcome to, or welcome back to, the channel of the Nasdaq Scalping bot. This is a channel about a project, a Python project, my first Python project, which has the goal to earn some passive income with doing automatic trading on the Nasdaq. And every day I tell you guys how it went, what I did change in the code, if I did make changes in the code, and how we did on the market. And in this daily report of today, I'm gonna tell you what happened today. So if you want to know what, just stay. And for the first time, we're gonna start not with the changes in the code, but we're gonna start with the results of the day. So let me fetch the market. And if we look at the reports today, we see in the reports some red and some blue, and a lot of red and some blue too. And you see a lot of positions were opened today and closed, of course, and most of them weren't good, weren't profitable. But what I did see today, and this is a nice one, we had a profit of €50 at one time, and another one right here of €26 at one time, and another one up here. So we're close to €1,000 in one day. But you also see that there were a lot of red, and those red positions were all stop losses from the trailing stop loss. And let me show you the report for today. Then you see that all the reds and also the blues, but all the reds we have, and I go down here, I don't know if this is all of today, but you see it's all about stop loss level reach. So these are all stop loss level reached, stop loss level reached, stop loss level reached. So a lot of those were at the stop loss level, and what I noticed, they were sometimes too early, which means that the trailing stop loss, if I look at the reports, that the trailing stop loss works, is good to make large profits, 25, 19, and the 51, 50 right here. Oh, 26 and another 50. So we make a lot of profit, but sometimes the stop loss, the trailing stop loss, kicked in too early. That's what I saw today during the day. So I'm happy in what I did in the weekend. If we take a look at the code, that I created a trailing stop and a stop distance and no more a profit distance. So that was good. But I think, and that's for in about an hour when the markets close and the bot, I gotta stop the bot, I'm gonna change the stop distance into 20. Just 5 pips more to see if the small changes in the market does not trigger a stop loss. So 15, I guess, will be up to 20. That's what I'm gonna change for tomorrow. It's the last day of the year, tomorrow. So 1st of January, there will be no trading at all. And then we have the 2nd of January to do another testing, but that's all we do. We are testing now and see if I can fine-tune these these settings to a better profit and less losses, and in this case to trigger not that fast a stop loss. That's what I'm aiming for with changing these. And another thing I noticed today was in the, and I need to go up, that was the high volatility, but where did it go? Right here, the total change of 0.1 of minus 0.1 total change, 10% change, triggered sometimes a sell or a buy when it shouldn't be. And I don't know if I'm going to change this one again to a higher number, or that I leave this one on for now and see if we can change only the stop loss distance to see if this triggers enough for the change sell or the buy with a large percentage, 10% change in the last 3 candles. So I'm going to change that one too. And the other one I'm thinking about is reinstating these 3 printouts I commented out, because I saw today also that almost every change we did, I'm going to take, you see the market is closed now. If we're going to look, every position opened were all change buys or change sell in the percentage change sell or the percentage change buy. And I did not see any positions opened based on the ATR plus the MACD. So I'm not sure if this strategy from the ATR, this one, actually triggers a buy or sell. And I want to know this because it's strange that all positions open today weren't there from these. I didn't see any conservative buy or sell. So I'm going to make a printout for these two to see if there is any use of these buy or sell based on the MACD with the signal line. All I did today, all I saw today, was the percentage sale or the percentage buy. And that's what I'm going to change in the code for the next day, for tomorrow in this case. So in one go, I did changes in the code. It's not yet changed, but I'm going to change those. I did show you how the market did, and I did show you the reports of today. What did we do and how did we do? The only thing I didn't share with you is the bot and what we did for today. And if we look at the bot, you see we made a loss today in total since yesterday evening, 20 past midnight. We made a profit, a loss in this case, of 35. But as you saw during the day, we had nice profits. So I'm hoping that by adjusting, fine-tuning, like I said, fine-tuning the code a bit more, that we can get a very, very good results soon. It's very promising. We saw it last Friday. We saw already €50 profit. And today I saw again €50, but then in one go. And by saying so, we are already at the end of the daily report of today. And if you liked the video, press like. If you liked what you saw, maybe you should subscribe so you can follow along and you can see how this bot progresses. And we're getting nearer and nearer to the end goal of making a successful, profitable, it's already a profitable, but to make a profitable bot, so you keep in the loop when you subscribe. If you want to leave a comment, feel free. I just want to know, let me know how you feel about the bot, how you feel about this. Just leave a comment. And if you want to talk to me about the bot, there is a Discord channel. I'll leave a link in the description. And there is also a Twitch channel, which will be more in use, I guess, next year. There you can follow the bot live and see how it does. And of course, there's always a Patreon link in the description. Just to be there. I don't expect anyone to use it, but if you want to support me, then use the Patreon link in the description. And that was it. And all I have to say is have a little fun every day. See you guys tomorrow.